Hi guys, today I want to talk about ViddYoze, a video animation software that promises to take your projects to the next level. If you're looking for an easy and efficient way to create intros, transitions, titles, and other visual elements for your videos, ViddYoze may be the ideal solution. As someone who has been working in content production for years, I was excited to test ViddYoze and see how it could help improve my videos. After using it for a few weeks, I'm excited to share my opinion with you. What impressed me the most about ViddYoze was how easy and intuitive it is. Even if you've never used video animation software before, you can easily create amazing animations with this program. ViddYoze offers a wide variety of pre-made templates that you can customize according to your needs. In addition, ViddYoze has a library of thousands of visual elements, including logo animations, titles, transitions, and more. This makes it easier to create a professional look for your videos without having to spend hours creating everything from scratch. Another thing I liked about ViddYoze is the rendering speed. I was impressed with how fast the program is able to generate high-quality animations. This means you can create and render your videos more quickly, saving time and allowing you to focus on other tasks. And if you have any questions, ViddYoze's customer support is exceptional. They are always available to help solve any problems or answer any questions you may have. Finally, the price of ViddYoze is quite affordable, especially if you purchase through the link in the description of this video. You can get it for only $67. It's an excellent value considering everything the program offers. In conclusion, if you're looking for an easy and efficient way to create animations and visual elements for your videos, ViddYoze is a great option. With its intuitive interface, wide library of visual elements, and exceptional customer support, it's a tool that can help you create amazing videos. So be sure to check out the link in the description to get ViddYoze at a promotional price, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more offers and exclusive content. Thanks for watching.